All right, I want to show you something that's made my life a lot easier. So if we zoom in here, just close that, make it all easier to read. So I have one of these self-closing tags, right? One of the things that's annoying is when you're first starting to create these, if we delete this, if I search bar and hit enter as an Emmet abbreviation, it's 2 tags, right? But if we hit F1, it opens up the command palette, or Ctrl+Shift+P, but F1, and hit split. So you just type in split join Emmet tag. It converts it back down. You hit it again, and it creates it. So you can go back and forth like that. Even easier. You notice there's the little cog gear wheel here. We'll go to settings. I have mine, which you can just double click this to set it. So I'll hit tab and Q, enter. That's what I have mine set as. So I can go to my tag and hit tab Q and convert any of these tags to self-closing tags or not. Real easy.